children. So this video discuss about acid halide. That means methods of preparation of acid halide. Okay, acid chloride are prepared from carboxylic acid or COOH, carboxylic acid, by treating with any one of the chlorinating agent such as SOCl2, then PCl3 and PCl5. So these are all chlorinating agent using any one. Okay, first one, reaction with thionyl chloride. Reaction with thionyl chloride. CH3COOH, acetic acid, react with thionyl chloride to form acetyl chloride. To form acetyl chloride. You see, so this bond is break up, added to here one Cl, here one Cl, here SO. So already, so last video discussed about this one. React with acid, react with thionyl chloride. Okay, to form acetyl chloride. First, second one. So first one, only one preparation is given. Next, physical properties. The emit pale fumes of hydrogen chloride when exposed to air on account of that with water vapor. Then there are insoluble in water but slowly being to dissolve due to hydrolysis. Insoluble in water but slowly. சரியா, இதென்ன கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா dissolve ஆகும் when hydrolysis பண்றோம். Okay, next chemical properties. So the react with weak nucleophiles such as water, alcohol, ammonia and amines to produce corresponding. சரியா, அது என்னன்னா ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணனும் அப்படிங்கற சொல்லுங்க. என்னன்னா ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ண பாருங்க, ஆசிட், எஸ்டர், அமைடு or substituted amide. Okay, first one, hydrolysis. So that is acyl halide. Acyl halide undergo hydrolysis to form acid. That means a carboxylic acid, acetic acid. You see, acetyl chloride hydrolysis to give carboxylic acid. That means acetic acid. Acetyl chloride hydrolysis to give acetic acid. HCl remove பண்ணிடலாம். Okay, next one, reaction with alcohol. Next one, reaction with alcohol. So that means alcoholysis, hydrolysis, water kuda hydrolysis, alcohol use பண்றோம், hydrolysis. You see, reaction with alcohol, that means acetyl chloride, alcohol react with to give ester. So here C2H5 ethyl alcohol, this one acetyl chloride. So to remove HCl to form CH3CO OC2H5, that is ester. That means reaction with alcohol to give ester. Okay, next, third one. So reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia to give amide. Reaction with ammonia to give amide. You see, that is aminolysis. Acetyl chloride react with ammonia NH3 to give acetamide. You see, NH3 that will become HCl. Then next one, reductions. Okay, fifth one reduction. This one is fifth one, so fourth one continue. Reduction. So when reduced with hydrogen in presence of poisonized palladium catalyst, they form aldehyde. So this reaction is called Rosterman reaction. Already நம்ம படிச்சிருப்போம், preparation of aldehyde ல Rosterman reaction படிச்சிருக்கோம். Acetyl chloride, so reduced platinum barium sulfate to produce aldehyde, CH3CH2 acetaldehyde. Okay, so this is a palladium, is barium sulfate is a catalytic poison. So because they had the further reduced aldehyde reduced to give acid, suppress பண்றதுக்காக இத ஆட் பண்ணிருப்போம், ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம படிச்சிருப்போம். So this reaction is known as Rosterman reduction. Next, so when acetyl chloride reduced with lithium aluminum hydride to give primary alcohol, this is a primary alcohol, so name is ethanol. This is reduced, so 4 hydrogen is added. So here CH3 2 hydrogen CH2OH 3 hydrogen add பண்ணியாச்சு remaining 1 H சேர்ந்த HCl ஆ போயிடும் that is the primary alcohol okay so this is the fourth one reaction with primary and secondary amine okay reactions with primary amine to give n alkyl amide N-alkyl amide. You see, that is ammonia kuda R primary R C double bond O Cl. That is CH3. General CH3COCl plus primary amine R NH2. That is a primary amine. So using NH2. இப்படி எழுதலாம்னா R NH2 primary amine. R NH2 primary amine. இது இப்படி எழுதலாம்னா RH சரி RHN எங்க சுடுது என்ன ஆகும் அப்படினா HCl போயிடும் ஓகேவா இப்ப remaining gives that is a primary amine we see next R C O NHR so that is amide பாருங்க RCONH2 அதுதான் amide acetamide சொல்றோம் ஓகேவா here RCONH2 க்கு பதிலா ஒரு alkyl group இருக்கு that is N alkyl amide this N alkyl amide ஓகேவா next react with secondary amine RC double bond OCl plus NH okay NHR2 HNR2 R2NH HCl போயிடுச்சு அப்படினா gives RC double bond O NR2 so here N, N dialkyl amide N, N dialkyl 2 இருக்கு அதனால என்ன சொல்றேன்னா நேம் N, N dialkyl amide okay so that is chemical properties of acid chloride okay next acid anhydride okay you see first one acid anhydride preparation so heating carboxylic acid with P2O5 okay you know P2O5 means a good dehydrating agent that means removal of water molecule so carboxylic acid CH3COOH CH3COOH so using P2O5 dehydrating agent so removal of water molecule CH3 that is acetic anhydride okay next by the reaction of acid halide and salt of carboxylic acid by reaction of acid halide and salt of carboxylic acid to give acetic anhydride you see acid halide acetyl chloride plus salt of carboxylic acid sodium acetate then heat to form remove NaCl to form acetic anhydride CH3COOCH3 that is acetic anhydride that is preparation of acid anhydride okay next chemical properties so same for hydrolysis inga enna பார்த்தோம் hydrolysis alcohol ammonia reduction பத்தல அதே மாதிரி PCl5 கூட இங்க என்ன ரியாக்ஷன் மொத்தமா அதே தான் பார்க்க போறோம் okay so acid anhydride are slowly hydrolyzed by water to form the corresponding acid இங்க என்ன கொடுத்தோ அதே மாதிரி தான் அங்க இருக்கும் okay so write acid anhydride CH3 COO C double bond O CH3 CH3 COO CH3 okay hydrolysis so hydrolysis means H2O OH gives ஓகேவா அங்க என்ன பார்த்தோம் அது எப்படி corresponding hydrolysis to give acid இங்க கொடுத்திருக்க acid அதே மாதிரியே தான் சோ இந்த H வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும்னா CH3 COOH இந்த ஒரு H இங்க ஒரு OH. CH3COOH, CH3COOH, that is 2 molecules of acetic acid. 2 molecules of acetic acid. Okay, next reaction with alcohol. Reaction with alcohol to give ester. Same, to give ester. Okay, acetic anhydride. Next alcohol. Reaction with alcohol. Right, CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3 acetic anhydride alcohol. So that is C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Okay, you see, the other break OH in the C2H5. C2, CH3, COO, C2H5, ethyl acetate plus acetic acid, CH3, COOH, acetic acid. Okay, acetic anhydride react with alcohol to give ethyl acetate, that means ester and acid. Okay, next reaction with ammonia. So reaction with ammonia to give amide. சரி அங்க என்ன தமன் கொடுத்துருக்கல அதே மாதிரி reaction with ammonia. NH3 தேர்வு CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH acetic anhydride ammonia, right? CH3, COO, COOH, acetic acid, CH3, CONH2 amide, CH3, CONH2 plus acetic acid, CH3, COOH. Okay. Next, reaction with PCl5. Okay, reaction with PCl5. You see. Reaction with PCl5. CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3 plus PCl5 gives phosphorus pentachloride. You see, 2 molecules of acetyl chloride. In the other we break back to Cl remaining PCl. These 2 molecules of acetyl chloride, CH3, COCl plus POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride. Phosphorus oxychloride. Okay, so that is the properties of acetic anhydride. Okay, okay children. So this video preparation of acid chloride and acetic anhydride preparation properties பார்த்திருப்போம். So next video discuss about ester and amide. Okay, thank you children.